starting up the day, wake up extra early, get ahead of everybody that's not up yet, so I can get in some for a walk, taking Uhtred out for a 5K jog for the morning, and we'll see what kind of fun things you'll see. Alright, nice and early, go for a morning walk. Alright, so let me give you a little recap of what we're expected to happen today. Come on, Uhtred. Yeah, come on, buddy. So today's Saturday. We're going to be doing the farmer's market, and we're also going to be working late tonight, doing pub crawler. Hi, Uhtred. What's going on? You don't like me talking, right? Alright, come on. Uhtred, come. Yep. But right now, just doing the morning walk, get Uhtred nice and tired, so I can head out for the day, and he'll be exhausted enough that he'll sleep most of the day. So that's the plan. It's super dark out, as you can barely see me, so I'm not really going to be filming much. Normal jog, we're going to go over to the baseball fields, and then we're going to go back across the highway, back to our place. That's pretty much it. Hey Uhtred, how's your morning jog? Pretty good? Yeah? Absolutely nobody out. Alright, so now we're in the van heading to farmer's market. Sell Chilean style empanadas. It is super foggy out. Just take a look at how foggy it is. Hopefully it'll clear up. Probably will. And luckily it's not going to be raining today, so we should definitely have a lot more people out. And that's what I was hoping for. So good day. Finish up the farmer's market, all cleaned up, ready to go, and now I'm gonna head back to the kitchen, head back home, shower up, hang out before heading back downtown. I'm gonna go work pub crawler. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy this empanada on my way back. This is what I'm doing tonight. Oof, what a day. Long day. Start when it was dark out, ended when it's dark out. But it feels pretty good. Hopefully get home and then just relax. Alright, well have a great night everybody. Cheers. Alright, So we made it to the park. We're at Zilker Park. Totally forgot about this one thing I really want to show you guys, dude. So here at Zilker Park, over the last few months, we've been seeing a big incline in travel vans. And I just gotta show you guys. Alright, check it out. We got more and more and more. This whole back area is just covered with these travel vans. I mean, they all look pretty cool. Look, you got this one that's all painted. Then you got this other one are just regular converted vehicles. Then you got the more adventurous that have switched it up and converted their travel vans into huge little containers. It's probably my favorite one. It's short and flat. Just people living life. Pretty cool. We're growing a nice little travel vagabond community here in Austin, Texas. And it seems like it just keeps growing. I'm curious to see how big it's gonna really get, because that looks pretty large.